Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display fog for your scene in ThreeJS. So let's get started. So here you can see I'm displaying fog. I'm not sure if you guys can really see it, but if I try to zoom out here, you can see the fog intensifies and you can't really see anything. But if I scroll in, I can able to see anything. I'm able to see things, but if I scroll out, the things get blurry because of the fog. So let's see how to do this. Firstly, I have created one simple project using Vite, like simple HTML, CSS and TypeScript project, but you can use whatever framework you prefer. Then inside package.json I have installed two dependency. First is the 3, which is for ThreeJS, and in dev dependency I have installed @type/3. This will help for the TypeScript part as well. Then inside index.html I have added one canvas of id canvas, style position fixed, top left is 0 and outline is none. And then here I have created one linked one TypeScript file as well to our HTML code. Now if you see my main.ts, these are all the imports. So if you want, you can just copy paste all these imports. And here I'm also using this orbit controls for this zoom in, zoom out, translation and rotation, those kind of stuff. So here we are first creating our canvas, then I have created one scene, and here you can create one fog. I have assigned this color to our fog, then assign the fog to our scene. Then here I have just created one material of type, then created one mesh, and here you can see I have created another plane of mesh type, and then added both of them to the scene. This is not really important, and given that I'm using mesh standard material, I need lights as well, that's why I've used it. Otherwise you can use just mesh basic material. And here I am taking the entire width as well as height of device, creating one perspective camera, adding it to our scene. Then I have created orbit controls as well, and the enable damping is true. Then I have created one WebGL renderer, appending our canvas to it, and then I have set the clear color. Now this clear color I have used the same color which we are using it for fog. That's why if you see the background of the scene, like the entire scene uses the same color. That's how you can create a fog effect. Then here on resize we are just updating our camera as well as our renderer, and on double click we just enter or exit full screen mode. Then here I have created our clock, and here we get the elapsed time from it. I'm not really using it, I'm just updating our controls as well as rendering our scene, and this function is called every frame per second. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can display the fog. Thank you for watching. Bye.